Alright, family, welcome back to your very own channel, Travel Walk to and Beyond. This is your host Nitin, and today is the end of the 18th day of the 12 weeks fitness challenge. So it's currently the third week running, and it's been going good. I checked my weight like I told you that I'll be checking. It has just touched 79. I see Raja join. Hi Raja. Yes sir. So I'm really feeling happy about it that it's just touched 79. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to try to push it and see if I can bring it down to 78. So the whole idea is to shed a little weight, so when I'm walking, when I'm running, it's not going to be that stressful. So that's about it. I see Jagwani Deepak join. Hello, how are you? One second, let me figure out. Am I going the right way? Yes. I see a chocolatey boy join. Hi. Hello chocolatey boy, how are you? So depending upon what your body mass index is, what your BMI is, if you're a little overweight, a little too overweight like me, then you want to make sure that you don't just start running or running fast, might end up injuring yourself. So you want to make sure that you take it a little slow and shed some weight, avoid injuries, and second thing is shed some weight before you actually start walking fast. So it'll be easier and help you avoid any accidents or injuries. So yeah, that's it. And about my foot condition, it's absolutely fine now. So didn't want to risk it. So that's why I'm just taking a little while before I actually start running again. It's not going to be easy, I know, but I'm just gonna try. When I started brisk walking, I was a little doubtful. Of course, there were some challenges like the foot problem and some other things, but fourth day into brisk walk, I feel that once you complete your first round or the first 45 or 60 minutes, and when you keep increasing your pace, it actually starts getting easier. You feel like you're actually just floating. So that's about it. So I'm gonna wait and see and try to hit it down to at least 78 before I start running. So hopefully before or maybe by next week start with the running plan. So let's see how it goes. So that's all from my side. I came in the late afternoon or early evening, like around I don't know what's the time right now. Yeah, 4:30. So it's almost 9.5 hours. More than 3 rounds, more than 2 rounds, not 3 today. I was taking 3 rounds because I was not able to walk that fast. So I figured that in case I wanted to burn more, then I needed to walk more duration. So now the focus is going to be on reducing the time, and as it gets more intense, that's what's going to happen. It's going to reduce the time, so that way you can burn more in less time and save some time for other stuff. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much for everyone who joined today, and remember, in case you're planning, then just get up and start. First step is what it takes, and move more, eat less. That's the mantra. Bye bye, take care. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman. Bye bye. So the official walk, intro and update is over. It's done. So I'm just gonna have the camera on while I walk back. So the ones who joined for the updates, in case you want to drop, you can drop, and if anybody wants to stay, then you can stay. Just walking back, that's all. But I'm not gonna walk straight back home today. I need to have a little detour. Need to pick up a pen from the market, a red pen. Some need arised, so I've been using blue pens for all of my writings. So for a chain need a red color, so I figured that the one that I'm using is about to get drained out soon, so just need to be sure that I'm equipped beforehand. So just gotta pick up that and maybe some other stuff. So did any of you plan, or any of you are planning to start a fitness plan? Raja, I know you are already doing that. You started walking. You told me, which is great. Very, very great. Awesome, brother. Anyone else planning? You can type in and let me know. It'll be good to know in case you need some motivation. And where are you guys from? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it was a lovely Saturday evening walk. Signing out. Bye.